I have this smartphone cooler. So this is the box, the qualified certificate card, and the device. It has 3 settings. The weakest setting, just pressed once. The medium setting, the strongest setting. So if you want to use this with your phone, just clip it in the back. I think this can only cool the surface of the back of the smartphone, but not the internal parts. So if you want to cool the smartphone, you need to buy a smartphone with internal fan. It has also a light indicator for the activity. From my experience, these last for about 2 hours or and a half. So I think this is good. It has also a Type-C port. Thanks for watching. Please share and subscribe and hit the bell button.